Hiya, folks. Have you ever had something happen to you that you just can't really explain? Well, something happened to me a couple of weeks ago that my wife told me because I don't remember a single moment of it. Here's what happened. I had to have surgery. And as I was coming out of the anesthesia, apparently I was speaking fluent Welsh. So much so that the doctors didn't even know that I could speak English. So they had to go out to the waiting room to grab my wife. She came in and was able to interpret what I was trying to say. She doesn't speak Welsh, but she knows enough to gather what I was trying to say. The thing is, I don't speak Welsh fluently. I can have a small conversation with somebody, but I certainly don't speak it fluently. But coming out of anesthesia, I sure did. So I told this to my friend John, who had to go to the doctor himself, and his doctor is a Scotsman. He came over to America about 20 years ago or so, I think, and he told this Scottish doctor about what happened. And the Scottish doctor said, "Oh, well, it makes perfect sense to me. It is the DNA of his ancestors coming out of him." Well, if that's it, I don't know. I like to believe that, but who knows? Just strange occurrence, for sure. All right, if you've ever had something like that happen to you, let me know. If you've ever heard of something like that happening, let me know. Either way, I hope you have a good day, and I'll see you soon, if not before. Hwyl fawr.